If you want to study abroad, you want to secure a full scholarship, you want to get into your dream university, but you don't know how, you don't know where to apply, you don't know how to apply, you don't know when to apply, you don't know what kind of documents you will need when you want to apply, then this is the right place for you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Nasir and Fatima. So we are getting a lot of requests on our emails, on our Instagram accounts, where people are asking us to make more videos on how to get scholarship, on how to get admitted in your dream university and how to secure full funding in the case where actually university is paying you to study there. So I am making this series in which I'll guide you step by step through all the process on how you can apply into the university and how you can make your profile stand out and how you can get admission and secure a full scholarship there. So if you are a person who want to apply for MS abroad or who want to apply for PhD, or if you are in university in your final semesters and you have no idea how to apply and you have like zero knowledge, then this is the place for you. I'll guide you through every step. I'll make it very easy for you and I'll make all the process a little bit fun for you as well. I know it's a very hectic process and you cannot make fully fun, but still, a little bit fun. And I have some exciting news at the end of this video, so please keep watching till the end. So a little background on me, who I am and why I have the authority to talk on this subject. So I did my bachelor's in electrical engineering from NUST, Pakistan, and then I moved to Bilkent University, Turkey, where I got full scholarship to pursue my MS study. While I was applying for my MS, I actually applied almost everywhere. Except for US and Canada, I didn't apply there because I was sure my parents wouldn't let me go there. But else I have applied mostly at most of the places. Like I applied in Korea, in China, some of the European countries, in Turkey, in UK, and surprisingly enough, I got admission almost everywhere. And in most of the cases, I even got the scholarship, even if it was a partial scholarship, even in UK. So the question arises, if I got scholarship in so many universities and in so many countries, why I chose Turkey? Because Turkey is normally not your first priority. The reason is that I belong to a conservative family and my parents were scared to send me abroad in a non-Muslim and very modern country. And I was the first girl who was going abroad alone for her MS studies. So I chose Turkey just, so that my parents would let me to go there. I don't regret any bit of it. I loved my time there and I enjoyed it, and I am actually very much satisfied with my masters as well. Here I would like to mention that though I wasn't a topper, I wasn't the top student in my class, but I would say I had an above average profile. The surprising thing was that when I was applying abroad, some of my university mates who had even better profiles and even better test scores than me were also applying abroad. And it was very surprising and amazing that most of the time I was getting the call and I was getting the scholarship and they didn't. So in this video, I'll tell you my secrets, that how I made my application stand out, how I invested my time and how I put so much effort into my application that even when I wasn't the topper and I didn't have a 4.0 GPA and gold medals to show, but still I got scholarship most of the time. I will tell you how to tailor your CV, how to make your CV perfect, how to write your SOP, your motivation letter, your cover letter, what test you would need to take, and how to apply into the universities, how to reach your potential supervisor, and how to email them so that they won't ignore your email and they would reply. Even if they don't have any position, they would actually reply you to apologize to you that they don't have any position. So the big announcement is that I am making this series and in each video I will cover some topic. For example, the next video will be on CV, perfecting your CV. So I will cover how to make your CV and how to perfect your CV. So you have to subscribe to our channel, you have to like that video and you have to comment on that video. And if your comment is among the first 50 comments, then you got it. You have the right to email me your CV, which you made according to my instructions as I gave in that video. So when you will email me that CV, I will provide you fully free feedback on that and I will correct any mistake if there was any mistakes in the CV, I will correct it for you for free. And this is for all the topics of all the videos I'll make. If it's a motivation letter video, if it's any video, first 50 comments will get my free consultation. So please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell notification so you don't miss any of the videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.